Hi everyone, welcome you all. So today's agenda point is string function and methods under a chapter string manipulation. We have already seen what strings are. We have seen some of the operators which are used with strings like catenation operator, plus of you can say how we have also seen greater than operator, less than operator, and multiplication operator used with these strings. And another one important things we have already learned is slicing of a string. Now, after this, we need to understand what are string functions and methods. So, get started. Let's move to my IDE so that I can explain you better. So, here I have an empty file. Here I'm going to declare a simple string. Let's say str is equals to hello world. Okay, as discussed previously, string is a collection of characters, whether we have a numeric characters, any symbol or alphabet, all are under string if it is enclosed within a double quotes, single quotes or triple quotes. Now we are going to discuss methods. What are methods? So methods have a simple identification. They have a parenthesis after the word. For example, if I'm using a print, it is a function because we enclosed or we use left and right parenthesis after the name, right? So this is the signature of a method. So if you see anything which ends with parenthesis, that means it is a function. Now in the function, in between these parentheses left and right, we specify parameters, right? For example, I can specify str, and if I try to execute this piece of our code, you will see the output. Okay, that hello world is printed on the screen. Toward the right of this screen, you can see hello world, right? Now, what are string functions? The functions which are used with these strings are called string functions. For example, one example is simply if you use a length function, it can be used with the string. So if you run this piece of a code, you get a 11. That gives you number of characters in a string. So this is a simple function. But generally, what we used to do is we can use a print, then we are using a string, then dot a string function. For example, if I use a upper and press a tab, this will complete or automatically complete my word. So what it will does, it will give you another instance of a str whose all the character will be capitalized. Okay, let's run this piece of a code and see whether it happens or not. So again, you can see we have a hello world in all in capital, right? So now let us test this example one more time. Now this time I will be using a string array. Now let us execute this piece of our code and check out what will be the output of a line number 3 and line number 4, right? Let's execute this and see. In the for the line number 3, we get hello world in capitals, but when I use or printed simple str, it is giving me original string. What is going on? Actually, when I'm using, let's say, I'm going to declare a simple function ab is equals to str dot upper. So actually what it does, it simply converts all the letters into uppercase letter and formulates a new string and assigns to AB. So now we have two variables str and AB. Let's say AB is equals to comma AB, and here let's say str is equals to, let's say, str. Now let us execute and check out the result. So our string or original string remains unchanged, though we have used a function on str twice, but none of them affects the original string because it converts the original string and formulates a new string and assigns to a new variable ab, and it here it is simply passed, right? Hope you understand. That means if you use a upper function, lower function, or any other function, it doesn't change original string. Okay, it gives you another instance of a string worked upon by the function. In coming chapters, you will learn more about functions. But for now, I'm going to tell you one thing. Functions are the simple named piece of a code which performs a specific task. For instance, we have a upper function. Its name is upper, which simply capitalizes all the string or converts all the character in a uppercase in a given string and returns you a new string, right? And we have many other functions, like we have a function called capitalize. Let's print this function str dot capitalize. Now, guess what it will do? It will convert all the words first character into capital case or uppercase. Let's see. Execute and see. What I'm getting is hello world. Now you can see H is capital. Oh, I have used the H capital. That's why you are not able to view over the change. Let's run this. Now, if you see, I have changed H to small. Still, H is capitalized. So, capitalized changes the first character of the string into a uppercase, right? Unlike upper, it will convert all the characters, right? So, till now we have learned upper upper function. Then we have learned capitalize function. And similar to upper function, capitalize also do not change the original strings. It simply gives you a new instance where the first character is changed to uppercase. Okay, now let us use another function which is a find function and can be handy many in many situations. Let us see. So we are going to run a find function, and then you have to specify the substring which you want to search in the original string. For example, if you have a string here, then it should be somewhat like this. String is the source string where you want to search a substring, okay? And then you have to specify start, from where you have to start searching the string, and then optionally you have to specify the end till where you can search, okay? So for example, I'm writing a print statement, and then str is the string where we want to search certain portion. Dot find, I want to search world, okay? It should be in the quotes world, and then I need to specify from where to search. I told you that in a string all the characters are indexed, so starting from the 0, I want it to start from 0 and search till the end. So I need not to specify the third parameter. Whenever you see a parameter within a bracket, that means it is a optional. If you want, you can use it, and if you don't, you can simply omit it, okay? So I'm going to omit this time and see whether it is true or not, okay? Let's run this program and see. I'm getting 6. Okay, let us count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6, after the sixth character we are getting a word, okay? Let's do it one more time. ELLO, okay? And let us execute this piece of our code and see 1. So it is 0 and 1. Hope you got it. According to the index value we are getting it, right? Now what if I specify capital ELL, okay? It is still in 1 and you are getting -1 because this is case sensitive in nature, okay? So if the cases are different, then find will not be able to search and it will return -1, right? So you can use this return value. You can say if str dot find, let's say EEELL, comma 0 is not equals to -1, then we can say print uh, we found, yeah, there is ELL in the string. Okay, now let us understand this piece of our code. So what I did, I have specified a string, then use a function find, and I want to find ELL and starting from the 0. And if its return value is not equals to -1, that means there will be any other value other than the -1. It means we are able to successfully find out the string, and if we are able to find out the string, then we can simply print the message there is ELL in the string. Okay, hope this is easy for you and you can do it. I'm not going to run it because I know it will work. Okay, okay, let's run this program and check it out. What's harm in this? So now you can see ELL was present, so we got the message there is ELL in the string. And what if I change it? Then I should not be getting the message. You can have else here and specify print ELL is, sorry, actually capital ELL is not present. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Now let us execute this piece of our code and see ELL is not present. Okay, hope you got it. Now consider a situation where we are searching from 0 to, let's say, 1, and I want to search LD. Okay, so 0 to 5 or 6. So 0 to 5 is this portion of a string, and LD is after that. That means I shouldn't be getting a positive number, I should be getting a -1. Okay, let's run this and see, I'm getting a -1. For you, just specify asterisk so that you can see uh, this line prints the -1. Okay, hope you got this point. Okay, so this is start from where my function starts searching the substring and up to where it will search. And if this portion does not contain the substring, it will return -1. That's all for the day. Now it's time to give you some questions, some exercise. Now what you have to do, you have to find number of occurrence of a specific word in a string. Okay, for example, if a string is O, or sorry, means a specific string entered by the user is O, then you have to enter, you have to print O. Okay, and if this string is LL, or a substring which you are searching is LL, then your program should return 1. And if your string is somewhat like this, then this time you should be getting 2, right? Hope you can do it, and you will do it. Submit your answers. I will be waiting for that. That's all for the day. Bye bye.